Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the E-Tech City water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered fresh water source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
The Optimus Elektra FE is one of the most ultra-fast, lightweight, and versatile cooking systems on the market. The Elektra FE can boil a liter extremely fast, in as little as 2.3 minutes. The stove has a unique wide burner head, making it ultra-light and ultra-powerful, while spreading the heat evenly on your pot to prevent burning your food. The Optimus Elektra FE cook system comes with many smart accessories. The clip-on windshield provides reliability and faster boil times in all conditions. The Sparky piezo igniter quickly and conveniently lights any stove or fire. The Elektra FE cook set has a heat exchanger which dramatically reduces boil time. This combination saves fuel so you can go farther longer with the same Optimus fuel canister. Optimus offers a full range of cooking accessories. The Optimus heat pouch is an excellent way to keep your food warm longer and protect your fingers. The Optimus sliding long spoon makes eating from dehydrated food pouches more enjoyable. The ultralight Optimus seat makes cooking in any condition more luxurious. And the Optimus Bob provides easy cleanup so you can move on quickly to your next adventure. When you're done cooking, the Elektra FE nests perfectly together, more compact and lightweight than other stoves. It packs up small and fits neatly in your pack until you're ready to cook your next gourmet masterpiece.